Coming up on this episode of How to Magic.
Take the candle and put it right through my arm.
Take it and magically change it into their signed card. Take the card and magically floats in midair. What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 5 simple magic tricks that anyone can do.
Simple.
So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button for me and let's go. This first trick is an easy way to make an object magically float in midair. Watch the card. Just magically floats in midair. Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here's what you're gonna need to pull this trick off. You're gonna need some wire snips, some wire. You can use a wire hanger, or you can just use some flexible wire like this. You're gonna need some tape, and you're obviously going to need a playing card. Step 1 is to cut a piece of wire. So once you have a piece of wire cut, your next step is to attach it to the table. Here's where you're gonna take a piece of tape, stick it on the wire here, and then stick that right up underneath your table. So now that you have the wire taped in place on the table, your next step is to attach it to the card. So now you're just gonna take your piece of tape and the wire, go on the other side of the card, and tape this in place. This is super angle sensitive. It only looks like it's floating from certain angles, but when you get it at the right angle, especially if you're filming with a camera that you can have it fixed in place, it really is a convincing illusion that the card is just magically floating in midair right there. Super cool, and you can wave your hands around it. The angle that you're viewing it from completely hides the wire attached to the table, and it really does look like the card is just magically floating. And that is the secret of the magic floating card. Alright guys, we have made it to New York City. A lot of people have been messaging me, asking me where the New York fan meetup is going to be at in Battery Park. It's going to be right here at Sea Glass, this carousel thing in the background. We're gonna meet right here on Sunday at 4:30 p.m. So meet me here at the Sea Glass carousel in Battery Park in New York City. I'll see you there. For this one, you're gonna tear up a piece of paper and magically heal it in a very unique way. Take a look. A little piece of tissue paper here. We're just gonna tear it up. Set it on the table. Paper magically restores. Want another secret? Here's how it's done. You only need 2 things for this trick. You need some flash paper. That is special paper that's been soaked in a flammable liquid, so that when you light it on fire, it instantly goes up in a bright flash of flames and completely disappears. So first step is to have a little sheet of flash paper just like this. Second step is to take some white tissue paper, which looks exactly like flash paper, and cut it into the same size and shape. So once your piece of tissue paper is cut out, your next step is to fold this up just like this. Then you're gonna hide it behind the flash paper before the trick starts. You can kind of hide it with your finger, and then all you're gonna do is come over and start tearing up the flash paper. Show this to your audience, tearing it up, all the while hiding the real tissue paper folded up on the back of all of the torn pieces of flash paper. Now all you're gonna do is fold the flash paper pieces around the piece of tissue paper just like this, and kind of ball them up. You're then gonna set the ball of flash paper with the tissue hidden inside down on the table, light it up with a lighter. The flash paper will disappear, leaving only the tissue paper behind. All the pieces have magically fused back together because of the fire. Such an amazing trick to have the fire heal the paper instead of destroy it as it normally would. And that is the secret of the magic healing fire. Here's a fun do-it-yourself trick that's sure to amaze your friends and family. So watch, I just take the candle, I can actually take my arm and go right through my arm just like that. The candle, watch, it'll actually just go right back up too. Like that. I can take my arm out of the box. Totally fine. No burns. Cool, huh? Here's the secret to the magic candle through the arm trick. Here's what you'll need. You need a paper towel roll, cardboard box, some scissors, some tape, and a candle. The secret is all found in the box. It's how you set it up beforehand. Let me show you. First things first, we're gonna cut a hole in the top of the box. Once we have our hole in the top, we're gonna cut a hole in the bottom in the same place. Once you have the second hole cut through the box, you're good to go. You're then gonna take your paper towel roll and feed it down through the box just like that. Once the paper towel roll reaches the bottom hole, you're gonna tape it in place just like this. Once you have it taped in place, your next step is to cut off the excess on top here. So any part that's sticking out here, you wanna cut off. You want this to be completely flush with the top of the box. Just like that. Then we're gonna tape this side as well. So now our paper towel roll creates a passage through the box that the candle can safely pass through. Our last step is to cut holes in each side of the box so that our arm can slide through. So once you have the two ends of the box cut out, this is what you should be set up with. Now you're ready to perform the trick, and you can keep your magic box for many performances to come. So as you can see, we have our paper towel roll running through the middle there. That's where the candle is gonna go, so that our arm can safely pass through the middle of the box without getting burned. So you present this to your audience. You wanna be careful not to flash the hole on the top or the bottom of the box. You wanna hold it square to the audience. So once you have the candle lit and the box in place on your arm, you can then take the candle and just go straight down through the paper towel roll, and it looks like the candle is just magically passed through your arm. You can then raise the box up. The candle will stay lit. You can then remove your arm from the box and show that you are completely unharmed. And that is how you do the magic candle through the arm. This next one is our how-to magic trick of the week, brought to you by howtoMagicShop.com. Amazing and easy tricks to take your magic from mundane to mesmerizing with howtoMagicShop.com. All products are available with worldwide shipping. Check out the link in the description of this video. Here's a cool card trick that you can do at a moment's notice. I got a deck of cards here. They're all different. Perfect, okay. Now I want you to do a drawing or sign the front of it to make it unique. That'll be a little table for you so you can draw here. Perfect. All right, you got a little drawing on there, a little heart with Ava. We got that card, definitely unique because it's got your signature on it and a little drawing that you did. So I'm just going to shuffle up the deck a bit and we're gonna lose your card inside, okay? I think I got your card right here on the top of the deck. Is that it? The Five of Hearts? It's not the Five of Hearts? I got it wrong. All right, so we're gonna try something. I've got my little card sleeve here in my pocket. It's just a little plastic sleeve. And we're gonna take your card here. Well, it's not your card, it's the Five of Hearts, right? We're gonna see if we can change it into your card using the magic card sleeve. So all we do is take the 5, we slide it in here. So we take the 5 there, yeah? Watch it. If I just wave a little bit, kind of looks like it starts to change into your signed card. Crazy? Is that it? Is that your signature?
Yeah, how did you do that?
This one's so easy, anyone can do it. Let me show you how. Okay, here is the secret of the magic card sleeve. These are available at EvanEraTV.com if you want to pick one up. It's an amazing and super easy to do trick. The secret is all found in this magic card sleeve itself. As you wave it back and forth, the image of the card will just slowly vanish, just like that. This is achieved by this checkerboard pattern on the card sleeve. There's a thin piece of film that runs through the middle that, as it shifts back and forth, makes the image of a card appear and disappear. So all you have to do is press on one side with your finger and the image of a card will appear, and then press on the other side and the image will disappear. So before the trick starts, you just set it like this. From the opposite side, it looks totally normal. Start out with the same card that's pictured on the card sleeve on the top of the deck. In this case, it's the Five of Hearts. You have your spectator pick any card they want. In this case, they're going to choose the Three of Clubs. Have them sign the front of the card. They take the card back from you, you're just going to place it on the top of the deck. Then you can do a series of false shuffles with the cards and just make sure you keep the card on top of the deck. Now you're going to perform a double lift with the top 2 cards, asking your spectator if this is their selected card. They'll of course say no because it lacks their signature and it's not the card they picked. So then you're going to flip the double lift over like this, taking their card, being careful not to show the face. They still believe it's the Five of Hearts here. You're going to slide it into the card sleeve just like this. Now when you turn it over, the image of the Five of Hearts appears on the front of the card sleeve because we set it up beforehand. So now all you have to do to make it change into their card is simply push the little piece of film to the other side, and it looks like it just slowly changes into their selected cards. So amazing, such a awesome visual trick. You can then pull this card out, hand it directly to them. It really is their signed card. Super easy to do, an amazing trick that should be a part of every magician's arsenal. Again, the magic card sleeves are available at evanera.tv.com. We have international shipping available on all our stuff. You should pick one of these up that can literally do hundreds of different magic tricks to make a card magically appear in the sleeve, magically disappear, and magically change. And that is the secret of the magic card sleeve. Here's a cool way to reveal a prediction that anyone can perform. Okay, Ava, I have a cool trick to show you. It's kind of a mind reading trick, so it's pretty cool. I have a blank white piece of paper here. I also have a little booklet here. Got a bunch of different pages in it, and on each one of the blank pages I've written a different animal. You can see it's rhino, deer, sheep, walrus, lion, cow, chicken, monkey, horse, kangaroo, koala, bear, rhino, deer, sheep, bunch of different animals in here. So I'm gonna flip through the little book like this, and you're gonna stick your finger in and just pick any one of them that you want. Ready? Right there. All right, take a look at the thing that you stopped at. Okay. Got it locked in your mind? Yeah, good. Keep it locked in your mind. So we could have stopped at any of those. You've got that one animal locked in your mind though. Now look, down here on the piece of paper, I have a colored pencil. Check this out. As I take the colored pencil and I just color in like this, watch. You can kind of see, it looks like it's kind of a word in the middle of all the scribble of the colored pencil. Starting to see that? What word is that?
Lion. That's right.
Is that the animal you thought of? Yes, that was the animal you thought of? Lion? I'll show you the secret of how to do this at home right now. Spoiler alert, the secret is coming up next. All you need for this trick is a white crayon. So this is really cool. You can use it to reveal a card that somebody's picked or a word or phrase that they've picked like we just showed. So you're just gonna write on the piece of paper with the white crayon. It needs to be a white piece of paper for the white crayon so that it doesn't show up. It's gonna write whatever word or phrase on there that you want. And then when you take the colored pencil and you kind of shade it like this, because the crayon's kind of waxy, the colored pencil won't stick to it. So it'll actually just reveal any word or phrase or card that you write in the crayon. It's a super cool way to reveal something on a piece of paper. Easy to set up and easy to perform. And that is the secret of the magic colored pencil reveal. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment in the comment section down below. Let me know which trick was your favorite. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away 5 magic card sleeves to 5 lucky comments in the comment section of this video. All you have to do to be eligible to win the giveaway, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite trick was in this video. We will pick 5 random comments from the comment section and we will mail you the magic so that you can perform this amazing trick for your friends and family. It's time to announce the giveaway winners from the last How To Magic video. The winners are these names right here. Send me an email to this email address right here with your full mailing address to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Be sure to hit the thumbs up and leave your comments in the comment section down below. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel right down there and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. My vlog channel is down there as well as my second channel on YouTube. You can subscribe to that too. The shop's down there if you want to grab some merch and support the channel, get a magic card sleeve. The last episode of How To Magic is right over there if you missed it and want to catch up. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.